Hey up guys, the name's Dave. I am writing 41 songs in 41 days. If you are a songwriter, I would highly recommend getting this book, Songwriters on Songwriting by Paul Zollo. Today I'm going to take some things that I've found in this interview with Paul Simon. Does your best work come from active, conscious thinking about what a song should say? I like to discover what it is that's interesting to me. So I let the songs go this way and that way. The most that I can do is say, there's a good line, to construct the first half of a thought that's set up to the second half. A lot of time the whole thought comes out not connected to the thought before it in any appreciable way. What will this connection be? And by the time you get your choice of the third thought, you're off in a direction, because 3 consecutive thoughts imply direction. When you have a strong sense of direction, then meaning clings to it in some way. People bring meaning to it. The idea of just letting an idea form and then you kind of edit it to become something. So today's song number 25. Let's get cracking. Paul Simon's dad was a professional bass player, and in the interview he's talking to him about, his dad's musical influence on him, and he says here about his dad teaching him the chords of rock and roll, which he's saying are the 1, 6 minor, 2 minor, and the 5 chords. I'm just going to use those chords as my starting point. I might just bang a capo one just for the fun of it. 1 chord, so I'm in the key of E major. My voice seems to fit in E major okay, even though, I still haven't fully got my voice back. But yeah, so 1, 6, 2, 5, so that's an E major chord. I know it looks like a C, but I've got a cap on, so it's E major, C sharp minor, F sharp minor to a B major. So I'm just having a look for some lyrical starting points. Oh, there's one here which is waving at you like the tide to the shore. I don't even know if that makes any sense. I just quite liked the idea of waving to someone to say goodbye, but you're not going anywhere, just in the same way that the waves will still crash against the shore. You're like a wave breaking on the shore. I like that. Always come and go, what am I waiting for? You're like a wave breaking on the shore. Always come and go, what am I waiting for? Right, so I've obviously got my starting line, I've got my follow-up line. I suppose it's kind of like a metaphor for someone that keeps coming and going. Like, I definitely need another line. Do you know, like he said about a third line for direction? I feel like I need that third line now. Waving goodbye, but I don't mind. This ship has sailed far too many times. You're like a wave breaking on the shore. You always come and go, what am I waiting for? I feel like there's something there. How about now? Same thing again, but it's like waving goodbye, not for the last time. Waving goodbye, not for the last time. Right, so I feel like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 lines here. I feel like they're not in the right order. Again, this is the point of what he was saying in this, is like I'm editing these kind of things as they come. I feel like there is meaning in this, but I'm just kind of editing the ideas so they kind of have direction. Okay, I feel like this is a decent order. You're like a name on the tip of my tongue. You cast in a place where I know you from. You're like a wave we get on a shore. You always come and go, what do I wait for? You're waving goodbye, but I don't mind. This ship sailed far too many times. I'm waving goodbye, not for the last time. She lift my ship with these rising tides. Oh, I feel like it needs to go into a chorus of some sort, or a pre-chorus now. So I'm just going with the flow of it. That's kind of the idea. This ship is sailed, but it's back again. Floating away, come back another day. Riding the waves, leading you here again. Current is still back another day, another day. I think there's some alright here. I mean, it's not bad for the first time I've tried to do this little, I suppose I can call it an exercise of going with the flow. It did just kind of come, did that, all from that line, and then it kind of took shape in its own way as the lines gave it direction. That was a really enjoyable way of writing a song, to be honest. I've really enjoyed that. For me, I think the song feels better when I know what it's about. So I'm really intrigued to see how much I like this song when I've got it recorded and I'll listen back to it in a few weeks' time. If you want to check out the song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.